Hello, sports fans. Yes, I actually shaved yesterday. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and I'm out here in northern Arizona in the forest in a spot I got to, maybe like a week ago now. Anyway, and I'm set to start my new job tomorrow, which means, at least for tomorrow, being there at 9 a.m. I would imagine other shifts are going to have me be there at like 7. And basically, I'm just going to be delivering auto parts to various facilities around the Flagstaff area that need air filters, oil filter, oil, a flux capacitor, whatever. My job for this place is delivering those parts to those people. So, sounds like my type of job, outside, interacting with others, kind of always keeping busy. So I'm hoping it works out. But in celebration of tomorrow's first day of work, I'm going to go do something stupid and get a couple of adult beverages to enjoy during this afternoon time into the early evening, get a good night's sleep, and wake up tomorrow refreshed and invigorated and not hungover, because I'm going to be drinking at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyway, stay tuned. I've got some exciting stuff at the end of the video to share with you, so I hope you watch it all the way through. So there's my closest neighbor, who's within about 100 yards of me. I think he works a job because he has a sedan, maybe a small SUV, and he's gone first thing in the morning, and he comes back by late afternoon. I see him stay most of the day in his front driver's seat with the door open, which, in my opinion, really stinks. And he's got a tent there that I believe he sleeps in every night. And it's funny because I'll see he's got clothes hung up on the trees there. So I don't know if he's doing his own laundry, washing them and hanging them up to dry. But I feel for the guy because I could tolerate 30-degree weather inside the RV. But I don't know. Hope he has a diesel heater or something. Let's get on to the store. This place a month ago probably had hundreds of people out here. Now there's cows, and that would be my radio that I thought was fixed, setting off lights. Yeah, yesterday was the first day I drove around with the radio, and it shorted out a couple of times. Giving you a view of some of the cows. Fun fact, just because a cow has horns doesn't mean it's a male. Yeah, I'm pretty much gonna try to repair my stock radio, and if I get it working, I'm returning this one. Look at the cows. Moo. Moo. They're all over here. There's a couple right on the road. Hey there, cow. Ooh, look at the horns on that one, and it was a female. Beautiful day today. I don't mind doing a road trip when it's only 15 minutes each way and beautiful weather. Hey, there's another RVer. So the little squiggly traction little emblem there is on. Cruise control is showing on, even though it's not. The radio is working. But the second we get back to camp, I'm yanking that sucker out permanently. I'm done. And I'm going to try and solder and fix the original car stereo. So we're almost at the gas station that has my adult beverages, I hope. And by that I mean I know they carry them, but who knows if they're out or not. And if we could solder up that radio, plug it in, we'll see if we can get this working. And then hopefully Sounds Good Mobile at least gives me credit for the little control box in there and the radio itself. We'll see. Head back to camp, and these damn cows crossing the road. They got nothing but time on their hands. But so do I. Definitely like seeing the cows. Moo. They definitely have plenty of water there to drink. All right, just got home. Home is where I park. Back to camp. And I decided to take these two ribeyes that I've had since like the beginning of September out of the freezer. Look at that. $38.32 for two ribeyes. That's basically almost $20 a piece. Back in the day, you'd go to a restaurant and get a ribeye and pay $20 and get a baked potato and like salad. Times have sure changed. So one thing that I did accomplish is I drilled a little hole and I've got my front lights there. Hole's a little big, but I put a lot of electrical tape on the other side, and it's better than hanging out up here with the duck. Okay, all screws are removed. It's time to get the damn stereo out of here. Okay, got that dang radio out. We'll see how much they're going to give me for it. Now let's go inside the RV to try and weld the original one back into shape. So there's the little chip that I threw some solder around. Terrible job soldering, but we're going to give it 5 minutes to dry. Handy dandy soldering kit here. Every young man should have one. And we'll see if the radio works. Well, surprise, surprise. My soldering job did not work. It's weird though. The volume did come on for a second, but then went off. And when I put it on satellite radio, I was actually able to get volume. But that's only with like a free 1 week trial it comes with. And I'm not going to pay to have satellite radio. I just want FM radio. That's so simple. So I'll be returning the Sony stereo and the little computer component that I bought separately, so it would supposedly work in the Jeep. And I'll do that in the next day or two, depending on my work schedule. And for now, my dash is completely apart again, and I'm going to be looking online for getting a stock radio to put in there and replace the broken one. But hope you enjoyed all the cows and the little road trip. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far to the end, please subscribe and also smash that thumbs up button. Really does help the channel. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.